everyone. This is a review, product review from One Day Saving. This is just going to be a short video for unboxing or bagging, in this case, of some products that they sent me to do a review on. I will have all the links as well as a coupon code in the description. Everything will be listed, as well as links to their website. It's One Day Saving. So let's take out and see what we have here. I will also be doing another video later, actually using the products. This has a little bee design already built in on the lid, and the side walls of this, let's get this turned out, has a honeycomb pattern. So this is a little jar with the bee design and honeycomb pattern on it. That's going to be really fun to create. Like I said, I will be doing a creation video using these products. And I picked out some matching coasters to go with these. Nice little bee there and a honeycomb pattern for these. Feels like good sturdy molds, nice and thick. It actually looks like it's held its shape in there. Even though they were kind of sort of a little crammed into the initial packaging, they actually still look like they're a good shape. And this one was another one that I picked because I didn't have it yet. And this is a bird box. So it makes a little jar in the shape of a bird. And of course, you know, you fill it in upside down. So I will have creation videos for these later. I don't think I've seen anybody do the bird yet. Little hair on here. Get that off before it ends up going inside. There we go. So this will be a cute one to make. And I have seen this done by somebody, and I can't remember who it was because it's been several months. And I don't think I've seen the jar before. So this is going to be cute. I like bees. I like nature in general. So this is, again, One Day Saving. This is the bee and honeycomb coaster mold. It's a set. Let me see. This is a two-piece set. It is $4.72 on One Day Saving. And the jar, or the box, they call it a box mold, is $4.51 for this, and it's a two-piece mold. Like that's a two-piece. And then the bird, 3D bird storage box is how this is listed, is $5.38 on One Day Saving. And like I said, I will have all the links to these direct, as well as their website, and a coupon code in the description. So I hope you like these. Like I said, they seem to be pretty good quality. Nice, sturdy. Not flimsy material at all. So I'm excited to do something with these shortly. It'll be soon. Let's see, hopefully you can see them all on here. And again, this is actually has the honeycomb pattern on the inside. Well, it will be the outside wall. They don't have it on the inside wall, but this will be the outside wall that shows out. So it has the honeycomb pattern there. My fat fingers get there. Get some mica colors brushed into there. Pour these up. Find some nice honey color. I think a translucent would be cool, with a bit of dark lines on the honeycomb part, and then translucent in there, and some mica powders just on the bee and translucent on the rest. I think that'll be really pretty. Okay, this is, like I said, just a short, quick video on the unboxing. I shall see y'all soon when I start with the creating of this. Thank you so much. Bye.